When you grow up, what do you want to be? A police officer, just like me. I help people stop the crime, blow my whistle right on time.
When you grow up, what do you want to be? An engineer, building things so tall you see.
Bridges, houses, roads so wide,
With my tools I work with pride.
when you grow up, what do you want to be?
A pilot flying high so free.
Up in the sky, round and round, take off, land safe on the ground. When you grow up, what do you want to be? A doctor helping those in need. Check your heart, make you well. Take good care, you'll soon be well. When you grow up, what do you want to be? A business leader, come and see. Plan and count, work so fast, helping ideas grow and last. So many jobs, come and see. What will you be? Just like me, helping, building, flying high. Dream big, reach for the sky. When you grow up, what do you want to be? So many choices, come and see. So many choices, come and see. Sing and learn, dance along. Let's all sing the profession song. Like, share, and subscribe today. Join the fun, come and play. Sing with us, learn and see. What will you be when you grow